Hi, this is how you enable a maximum volume limiter for the JBL Live 680NC to prevent the headphones from going over 85 decibel in sound volume. To do this, first make sure that the headphones are connected to your phone and that you have the JBL Headphones app installed. Then open the app and select the Audio tab. Here, scroll down a bit until you get to the Max Volume Limiter setting. Here, just toggle the switch next to the setting to limit the volume to around 85 decibel, which is still fairly high though, but not as high as the headphones normally can go. In real-world use, this technique is applied basically by that the last few steps of your phone's volume bar does not actually increase the volume by anything, but instead just keeps going up like normal, but without any sound increase attached to it. To turn the setting off, just toggle the switch in the app again, but this time to off. Also here, make sure that you are not having the volume at maximum level, because the jump from the limited 85 decibel to max volume can be quite high. Alright, that is about that. Thank you for watching. Bye.